Wait. Okay, here we go. Go ahead.
Hi.
Hello, everybody. Just me and Samantha again. Today, Samantha will be showing what? What do you want to show everybody?
Slime.
Slime. Where is it?
Slime.
Okay, go ahead. Why don't we put it on the table?
Okay, come on. Let's go.
Let's go. I'm coming. Oh. Oops. Ourselves a slime.
And it has toy in here.
It has toy in it. Okay.
Oh, slime. And this is
Oh.
black. Just.
Why are you sitting on my leg? Okay, alright.
Yellow slime. There's different kind of colors.
Okay, let me get the camera angle. There we go, that's more better. Alright, what you got?
I got
You
another.
got orange one.
That's in pink.
It's like a jello, guys. Slime is like a jello.
Oh, pretty long. Jello, jello, jello.
They got these sparkling thing inside.
Jello, jello, jello.
Sparkling.
And jello here.
Oh, it bounced too.
The jello.
Yeah.
And then we have
You could hide these toys inside it, and then it's inside, and you gotta try to take it out.
this. Here it is.
Can you take it out? So you're using your finger, right? You're using all your finger dexterity. Good job.
Pretty slimy, I guess.
Yep. Can you remove all the slime? That's it. Oh, you got them all.
Looks like a little bit. Looks like
Can you tell everybody what's that? What is that?
It's a unicorn.
Show it everybody. Get closer to the screen. Unicorn. Yep, that's unicorn, guys. What other color do you have? You got something else. Oops.
That toy in there.
Oh, there's a toy inside.
It's a cloud.
Mm-hmm.
A cloud, guys. A cloud.
A cloud. A purple cloud.
Yeah.
Purple cloud.
And here's a purple slime.
Yeah.
Oh.
Wow, look at your hands, so sparkling. You want to show everybody your hands? Turn around. Wow, sparkle. That's a lot of sparkle.
A lot speaking.
Let's show everybody the sound. Show everybody the sound of the fart.
Let me show
You want to do it?
Yeah, let me show
Okay.
Pink?
Okay.
Wait.
Yeah, get closer. Okay. Go ahead. Oh, did you get it?
I just.
Who farted? Was that Samantha who farted? Oh, it's not making it. Here, I'll do one. I'll do one as well. I'll do the blue one. Alright guys, here we go.
I just. It's a little slimy.
Slime.
Yeah, looks like Uto.
What's a uto?
A fart.
Oh, fart. Is that in Tagalog? Uto?
Yeah.
Uto in Tagalog?
Yeah.
Does it stick to the TV? Let me see. No, oh, no, it does. It bounces. It's bounce off.
It's a little sticky.
Yeah. It doesn't stick to the TV. No.
Like
Nope.
Samantha, let's eat.
Oh, it's time for dinner time. So, bye-bye. You want to say bye-bye? Clean up time. Clean up first.
we could do another video, I guess, later.
Yes.
After we're done eating, I guess.
Maybe a push-up video. I haven't done push-up.
Okay, video push up. Okay.
Exercise.
Okay.
Do you want to exercise too? No? What's that mean?
Yes.
Yes? That's a yes. Okay, do you cover everything? Make sure you cover it tight so the air doesn't go in. So it doesn't get dry. Okay. Push it down hard. That's it. Alright. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, yes, she said bye already. Okay, that's it. I'm going to end the video. You're choking me. Yeah, am I going to get up? Hold on tight. Yeah, hold on tight. Alright. I'm gonna lay on top of you on the couch. Alright, guys.
Bye.
Bye.